Friday night sitting down, man. I need to go sit down. Get the hell up in here. Now look, I need you right up in here. Right here. This is you right here. Now don't move. Oh yeah, let's do this. I don't give a shit. Come on, get on up. Come on, get on up. Come. You broke your femur. Doing what? Partying. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. It's a good, honest Christian in the place tonight. Fantastic. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, so turn to face me. All right, now, ladies, we're going to follow the lead right here. You got this, shiny lips? You good? Okay. All right, so here's what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to bend the knees just like we did last time. Bend the knees a little bit. Okay. Don't be premature. Nobody likes that. All right, hands on the hips. Work it like this. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Get on in there. Work it. Yeah, come on. Where we got over here? Let me see something. Oh, that's it. Yeah, like it's mesmerizing, isn't it? All right, there we go. Ready? It's all the same. We're all in a name to change. Every day seems like we're wasting away. And another place where the faces are so cold. And I run all night just to get back home. And I'm a cowboy, and I'm a steel horse, and I don't want it dead or alive. And I want it dead or alive. Show 'em how it's done. Oh, yeah. Oh, Lord. And now sometimes I'm sweet, and sometimes I'm not the days. And people like me, they certain ways. And sometimes you tell the day, not a bottle that you drink. Sometimes when you're alone, all you do is think. I'm a cowboy, on a steel horse I ride, and I want it dead or alive. And I want it dead or alive. Listen, come on,
Mississippi moonshine.
Shake straight on it. On a steel horse I ride, and I want it dead or alive. 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 And I want it de you so much. Did you see all these other bitches checking you out? I'm like, damn, she's got that shit happening, man. Mm-hmm. Yes. You're leading the way. Yes. And I much prefer you when you're up as opposed to down. Yeah, because when you're sitting down, your boobies aren't shaking or nothing like that. So it's just so much better. Yeah, it is. How we doing over here? We doing good? Everybody doing good? Shit, now you got another two in your hand. So, okay, so let me find out what's going on. Are you the only drinker in this group here? Everybody's a drinker? Are you really now? Let's find out. Are we really? Everybody's a drinker here? Sure enough, are we? Are you? A little bit? How about a little bit for you? Yeah, hold on, pigtails, here we go. There it is, a little bit here. How about you? You need a little bit? Sure you do, of course you do, yeah. Oh yeah, she's like, what the hell, might as well. And you? Yeah, a little bit more, sure, that's fine, what the hell. Wash it down. So what are you drinking? What is that you're having? A screwdriver and a Malibu and Coke. Okay, all right, and why is that the combo? Just... You ordered this, you got that one for free. Okay, the owner's right behind you, somebody's getting fired for them. Okay, that's good, that's fine, absolutely. That's good, fantastic. So, thank you. Anybody need someone down here? Okay, you, fine, there we go. Yeah, how about you? You need a little bit? Just a little bit? How about you? Just a little bit? By the way, oh yeah, he says you. Yeah, there we go. So, one of the things that obviously, as we are trying to move this into Doc 2.0, one of the things that Chip is most excited about is, really get some good fake IDs rolling in here and really get some good underage drinking. You know, the way you guys used to do it. How many people snuck into the dock? Come on, man, come on. Shit. Hell, Chip was sneaking into the damn dock, for God's sake. Yeah. You know what? Let's smoke it up a little bit. Now, does it hurt?
Everybody
does your
came
leg
out
hurt?
on my boat, and they didn't
A
get
little
started
bit?
on the boat.
Okay, all right.
Go get
so,
a
but
drink.
you can still, I mean, do we need to bring you up closer and like sit you up close? You're good? Okay, all right. Funk it up, Chase. Look at no money. I got money. You got nothing. You got no money. I got money. You got... That's big money. $6. Let me hit that Whataburger later. Now, what's my girlfriend doing out there? Come on, Female. That's what I'm gonna call you now, Female. Now, hobble that shit on up in here. Yeah, okay. Your daughter just shoved some damn money in my pants. 10, one for each inch. But okay. I'm missing. But I mean, I thought I'd just throw it out there and just see, see what's happening. Just all right, let's get some hips. Come on. Go, Female. Let me see what time it is. It is, let's take a look. Okay, it's 9:30. I guess we can piss somebody off. You want to piss some people off? Let's piss somebody off. You want to get pissed?
Turn it up.